All right, first day thoughts on the new Raise 3D Pro 2. The machine, I like it. It's stout. The material that they use for the chassis, good stuff. Stout where it needs to be, light where it needs to be. Touchscreen, amazing. Very, very sensitive to the touch, but not overly sensitive. Pretty much everything that you want to do is there on the screen. You can load through stick there, or you can wirelessly send it over through the Idea Maker software. Pretty good software. Have had a couple small little issues, but most of it is just working through of things that I haven't yet to figure out with the machine. I run Robo R1 Pluses and love these things, but I needed something with a little bit larger build plate. And yeah, this thing can print 8 to where the Robos can print 2. First issue I had was with the Z-Rod. I was trying to adjust to get the level set between the recommended 0.2 in between the extruder and the bed, and I loosened that little bolt and the whole sucker fell down, so I had to try to get that set right. I finally figured it out with just a little bit of reading of the owner's manual. Things that I really love about it. Look at those Z-Rods. I mean, seriously, you could beat somebody to death with those. Great on both sides. Build plate, awesome. I still use, this is the best on the planet, the Elmer's purple stick. Use it. It works the best. Hairspray, whatever, goop, whatever, that works the best. Weird oddity about this is the left filament rubs up against the right filament, and yes, this is exactly how it shows in their video and their books to run it. It's just odd. You can see there, it kind of does flux it just a little bit. They really thought about this machine. They really did. Between the extruders, run-out sensors, the motors, they've really put in some serious money. Now, of course, this thing is serious money. It's $4,000 for this thing. And Matters Hackers carries it. Printed Solid carries it. A number of the high-end, like those two, carry this. And shipping in the U.S. is free. I am having a little issue getting used to the heat of the enclosed printer, and it causing a little bit of seepage or dribble from the extruder, so I'm gonna have to drop the temperatures down, probably down to 230 instead of 235, because it does leave a little bit of dribble, as this one has at this point. And sometimes it brings on to the print. It's not supposed to, but it does. So I'm gonna have to bring the temperature down just a little bit. But seriously, like a car door, that thing shuts and seals. It's got a nice HEPA fan in the back. Filters out, I think it's like 90-something% of all the particles, air inlet for it to come in. Non-auto leveling bed, but really, you don't really need it with this one the way it's set up. Now, there's the dribble that I spoke of. It's dragging that dribble with it, and I should have adjusted the temperature, but I didn't. But I'm doing a skirt and a brim just so it can purge itself to get a good line. But all in all, I'm very happy with the machine. It kind of hurt to send that $4,000 over, but it's a quality machine. It's probably going to take me about a week to get used to the idiosyncrasies of the machine, and then my own idiosyncrasies to that machine. They send you some really nice premium PLA. I don't print in PLA, unfortunately. I print in ABS. There's about a week's and a half worth, if that, for my Robos. They send you in the box, they send you these really bad Mickey Mouse gloves. Yeah, they're really large and odd. They send you a feeler gauge, which is amazing. They send you those tweezers that I was just using, which my wife tells me these tweezers are incredibly expensive, really sharp, so be careful. Of course, your spatula, Allen wrenches. They send you amazing backup pieces, fuses, bolts, screws, and what every high-end needs is a clog cleaner, rods. They send you extra tubing, pretty much everything that might have an idiosyncrasy with a issue here and there, you've got backup pieces for it. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting a larger printer and you need something that's got this build space, it is a good printer. Again, it'd probably take me about a week to get used to the little things of the printer and then little things of myself that I'm weird about. But all in all, I really like it. I would say try it out. Y'all have a great day and print safely.